Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see liked post on your Instagram, right? So first of all, we will go into the Instagram and make sure that you are using the updated version of Instagram, right? And here, let's say if I'm just like this some of the posts, for example, I just go to the reels and I just like this post and all right. So let's say I'm just liking this post, and here you have to click on the profile icon which is on bottom right side corner, and after that it will get open. You have to click on the three lines, right, which is on top right side corner. After that you have to click on your activity, right, not setting, you have to click on your activity, and after that you have to go to the interaction, right. So here you can see the options here. Let's say if I just click on the likes, you can see the recently post which I have liked, it shows here, and if you want to unlike it, just click here and you can just unlike it, right. So this is pretty easy guys, and you can do the same thing with the comments too. You can see that to whom post you have comment recently, story replies, reviews and all that kind of thing, right. So this is pretty easy guys. I hope you found this video really useful. If you did, like this video right now, subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.